The community cats of Dover Garden. There are 4 regular cat feeders, Pat, Vivien and 2 Malay ladies, feeding about 8 community cats, in the HDB estate of Dover Gardens. This video is about 2 female cats that are habitating around apartment tower 28B garden area. The fatter one is called Manja, a Bengal cat, and her sister is Mimi, a calico-colored cat. They were abandoned about July 2016, when they were about 4 months old. They have been spayed and they have many names, depending on who you talk to. Manja, in Malay, means pampered, as she would just wait for any food or a pat. Some called her Gemok, fatty, and she also mistakenly called Coco. Her sister, Mimi, a calico-colored cat, is also known as Ninja, as she can climb trees easily to catch birds. Some cat feeders also call her Coco, due to her cocoa color. She doesn't like the cat biscuits, prefer the wet cat food. In November 2016, when Ninja was about 10 months old, I've counted her catching 28 birds, sparrows, pigeon miners, parakeet and even a blue kingfisher, and 1 hornbill baby that fallen from the hornbill nest in the mango tree. Manja tried to follow Ninja climb up the tree a few times and succeeded after 1 year of trying. When she is about 2 years old, as she would be stuck halfway up the tree. There was one time, Ninja was already up the tree. So Manja follow, and got stuck, and Ninja sort of laugh at her, which agitate her, and she continue up and jump onto Ninja at the top of the tree onto the ceiling. Ninja climbs trees easily, but has difficulty coming down, whereas Manja just jumped down after she has climbed up the tree. Although as she get fatter, she got afraid of jumping down. The last time she climbed the tree she was stuck for 3 hours meowing for help, according to the cat feeders, so I got up and carry her down. Since then she has stayed grounded.
Don't disturb her. Meow. Meow. Come.
The 2 cat sisters would always be nearby to each other, and Ninja, being the fiercer one, will chase other cats that intrude into their territory of Block 28B Gardens. Manja will just look on, sometimes making small and soft hissing noise. In their first 2 years, they were sleeping without care, as there were no predators dogs in their territory, but then people started to have dogs and bringing their dogs for walks, and intimidating the cats. Most of the daytime Manja will be sleeping, except during mealtimes, 7 a.m., 5 p.m., then wait for the cat lady at 8 p.m. for her main meals. Ninja will be climbing trees and defending their territory from other cats' intrusion. So they have to find safer place. Now they have to hide in bushes at the high ground to rest. Manja can do tricks like high five and shake paws if you have chow churu cat treats. Currently there is a huge black cat coming into their territory and not afraid of Ninja. This cat is most likely a pet belonging to someone in block 28A, as it appeared to be friendly and not afraid of humans. And when they are awake, they will be curious with every sound around them.
Ikut biru you.
Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.